Hello, everyone. Are you 60 or older and starting to feel like your muscles aren't what they used to be? You're not alone. Up to 33% of older adults experience muscle loss, a condition known as sarcopenia. But don't worry, I have good news. Today, I'm sharing the best foods that can help stop muscle loss and even reverse it. First, we have legumes. This is your muscle's best friend. It's full of leucine, which helps activate muscle growth. Supporting muscle function. By preserving muscle mass, BCAAs contribute to maintaining muscle strength and function, which is essential for mobility, balance, and overall quality of life. Reducing muscle fatigue. BCAAs can help reduce exercise-induced muscle fatigue. This can allow for more effective workouts, which in turn can help preserve muscle mass. In essence, BCAAs, particularly leucine, play a vital role in supporting muscle health and preventing muscle loss, especially in situations where muscle breakdown is a concern. Next, by incorporating these plant-based foods into your diet, you can support your BCAA intake and promote muscle health. While these foods contain BCAAs, it's crucial to consume a varied diet to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids in adequate amounts. For those with higher BCAA needs, such as athletes or older adults, supplementing with plant-based protein powders like soy, pea, or brown rice protein can be beneficial. These powders often have concentrated amounts of BCAAs. It's also worth noting that when considering plant-based diets, ensuring adequate calorie intake is also very important for muscle building. Quinoa is considered a complete protein because it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. These essential amino acids must be obtained from food, making quinoa a valuable protein source, especially for those following plant-based diets. Here's why it's beneficial. Supports muscle repair and growth. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are vital for repairing and building muscle tissue. Since quinoa contains all the essential amino acids, it helps ensure you're getting a full spectrum of what your body needs for muscle maintenance and growth. Improves overall protein quality. Many plant proteins, like beans or rice, lack one or more of the essential amino acids. Quinoa is unique because it provides them all in a balanced ratio, offering a complete protein profile similar to animal-based proteins like meat, dairy, or eggs. Boosts immune function. Essential amino acids are important for producing immune system enzymes and cells. Since quinoa offers a complete set of amino acids, it helps support immune health by contributing to the formation of antibodies and other immunity-related proteins. Aids. Proper hormone function. Amino acids are involved in producing important hormones, including those that regulate metabolism, mood, and growth. Consuming quinoa ensures your body has the raw materials needed to produce these essential hormones. Convenience for plant-based diets. For those avoiding animal products, quinoa offers a rare opportunity to get a high-quality, complete protein source in a single food. This is particularly helpful for individuals wanting to avoid protein deficiencies in plant-based diets. In summary, quinoa's ability to provide all 9 essential amino acids makes it a standout plant-based food, delivering comprehensive nutritional support for your body. Don't forget your fruits like blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They're loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells and have vitamin C, which helps in collagen production. Remember to eat your vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are also crucial. They're high in nitrates, which improve blood flow and are a good source of calcium and electrolytes. Aim for at least 2 cups a day for increased protein or fiber needs. If you're looking to boost your protein or fiber intake, you can opt to eat more legumes. For instance, consuming 1 or 2 servings, half to 1 cup of legumes per day could be beneficial if you follow a plant-based diet or if you want to increase your protein intake. For active individuals or athletes or those with higher energy needs may benefit from eating more servings of legumes, as they are a great source of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. This could be 2 to 3 servings per day, depending on their overall calorie and protein needs. Think black beans, lentils, and chickpeas are great for gut health and muscle maintenance. Aim for 3 servings a week. Are small but mighty. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are packed with healthy fats and essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. A 1/4 cup a day will do the trick. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for muscle health for several reasons. 1. Hydration and muscle function. Muscles are about 75% water, so staying hydrated helps maintain optimal muscle function. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and weakness because water helps muscles contract and relax efficiently. 2. Nutrient transportation. Water is essential for transporting nutrients like proteins and electrolytes to your muscles. Proper hydration helps your body absorb and utilize nutrients from food, which is vital for muscle recovery, growth, and overall performance. 3. Joint lubrication. Muscles work in coordination with your joints. Adequate water intake keeps joints lubricated, reducing friction and the risk of injuries such as strains or sprains, which can limit muscle function. 4. Body temperature regulation. During exercise or strenuous physical activity, water helps regulate body temperature through sweating. Keeping your body cool is important to prevent muscle fatigue and overheating, which could impact muscle performance and recovery. 5. Muscle recovery. Proper hydration helps flush out waste products like lactic acid that build up in muscles during exercise. Water helps remove these byproducts, reducing soreness and promoting faster recovery. How to calculate how much water to drink. While individual water needs can vary based on factors like body size, activity level, and climate, a general guideline is to drink about half to 2/3 of your body weight in ounces per day. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, you should aim to drink between 75 and 100 ounces of water daily. Other methods for calculating hydration needs include, based on activity level, sedentary individuals aim for about 8 cups, 64 ounces of water per day. Active individuals add an additional 8 ounces for every 30 minutes of strenuous exercise. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve muscle protein synthesis. Aim for 2 servings a week. Lastly is a fantastic option. It's packed with protein, particularly casein, which releases amino acids slowly. Opt for plain, full-fat versions and add your own toppings. 3 to 4 times a week is ideal. So if you're looking to maintain or even regain your muscle mass, these foods are a great place to start. Have you tried any of these? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy and strong. Thanks for watching.